Okay, there's a crack, and here is the sealer. There's two sides on this. There's a green side and a white side. So I'm going to take off the white side first and attempt to put that onto the hole. This will expose the sticky part of this ring. And of course, doing it with one hand is never easy. Put the camera down for a minute. Okay, I just pulled this off with both hands. Here is the ring, and I'm going to put that on the hole here with one hand, which I don't recommend you do with one hand. Get the camera to focus on there. This thing is so big that I'm just going to put it down where the rock hit it, right in the middle. There, that's good. So make sure it's on real good. Just press it hard. And I'll show you what I did as far as centering it. I centered it right where the rock hit the windshield. And I don't think this will cover the whole thing, but that's the way it goes. Okay, so for $8, I think I'll lose a whole lot. You can see where the rock hit right there in the middle. I do have cracks that extend beyond that, but that's tough luck. Okay. The next thing we do is take off this top part, the green part. You can take that off too, and that will expose another sticky layer that you can put the mount onto. Of course, with one hand, I can't get this thing off without pulling the whole thing off the windshield. Okay, well, suffice it to say that I'm going to pull off this green part.